student, I am Sandeep Kumar Singh with chapter 8 assignment work, the coastal plain and the island. So let us the exercise of the lesson 8. Okay, now first section is exploring new words. You have to write some explain of the new words. The first word is lagoon. What do we mean a lagoon? A shallow water body is separated from the sea by a natural barrier like a sandbar. It means that a water which shallow and separate from sea by a natural barrier. Okay, like this. This is a coastal area and this is a lake, and here is a bar of sand which separate by the sea. Okay, this is a sea and this is a lake. Okay, port, a place by sea or river where ships are loaded and unloaded. Port means a place where ships load and unload their goods and passenger called is port. Next one is tribal. Related to tribe, a tribe closely knit group of people who follow a very traditional way of living. It means that the people who lived in knit group, tiny group, follow very traditional way, ancient traditional way. Okay, now next question is workout. In this section, the first question is fill in the blanks, and we have to fill the some words in given blanks. Okay, the first question is the western coastal plain stretches from the state of blank to blank. Okay, so what is the appropriate word in the blank space filling? The answer is Gujarat, and next is Kerala. So the answer is the western coastal plain stretches from the state of Gujarat to Kerala. Now second question is the largest coastal lake in India? Which is the largest coastal lake in India? So answer is Chilka Lake is the largest coastal lake in India. Okay, now third question is the southernmost point of Indian mainland? Which is the southernmost point Indian mainland? You have to given like this shape of the southern India. Okay, and this is the southernmost point, so you have to write this point and write the name of this point. This point is Kanyakumari. Okay, now next question is an important port in Andhra Pradesh. Which is the important port of Andhra Pradesh? So right answer is Visakhapatnam. Okay, so right answer is Visakhapatnam. is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar? Which is the capital of Andaman Nicobar? So right answer is Port Blair. Now the second one is the choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct option of the given following question. The first question is this is a part of the eastern coastal plains. Which one is the part of eastern coastal plains? So look at the option: Malabar coast, Konkan coast, Gujarat coast, Coromandel coast. So Malabar coast related from western coast, so it is wrong answer. Konkan coast also related from western coastal plain, so it is wrong answer. And Gujarat coast is also related from western coastal plain, so it is wrong answer. So Coromandel coast is the right answer. Now second question is Onam is a harvest festival of. Onam is harvest festival. Option is Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. So right answer is Kerala. Okay. Onam is harvest festival of Kerala. Now third question is the capital of Lakshadweep. Which is the capital of Lakshadweep? The option is Kanyakumari, Kavaratti, Indira Point, Mahe. Mahe is the capital of Maldives country, so it is a wrong answer. Indira Point is the southernmost point of the India. It is not capital of Lakshadweep. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep, so it is a right answer. Now fourth question is Marina Beach Inn. So student, be careful. Marina Beach, Mumbai, Chennai, Panaji, Kolkata. Right answer is Chennai. Bombay High is the name of Mumbai film industry. The highway connects Mumbai to Delhi. A building in Mumbai, a major oil field in Arabian Sea. Right answer is a major oil field in Arabian Sea. So this is the optional question answer, multiple choice question answer. Now the third part is the answer the following question in one or two sentence. You have to write some question in one or two question, two line or sentences. Okay, so let us look at the some question answer. Name the three main divisions of western coastal plains. So right answer is the Konkan coast, Gujarat coast and Malabar coast are the three main divisions of the western coastal plain. Name the main division of eastern coastal plain. The right answer is Northern Sarkar and the Coromandel coast is the main divisions of eastern coastal plains. What are lagoons? What are lagoons? Give example of lagoons in India. So right answer is a lagoon is a shallow water body separated from sea by a bar of sand. An example of the lagoon is Chilka. Name the southern tip of peninsular India. Here this is a repeated question. So look at this question now. Name the southern tip of peninsular India. So answer is Kanyakumari is the southern tip of peninsular India. It is the mainland of southern India. What is a port? Name 3 important ports of east coast and 3 on west coast of the India. So right answer is a place. Port is a place where ship load and unload their goods and passenger. And 3 example of the coast of eastern coastal plains are Kolkata, Visakhapatnam and Chennai. Now western coastal plain is Kandla, Mumbai and Kochi. So this is your exercise of chapter 8, the coastal plains. Next video to be continue the next lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.